Hi everyone, I just got my new TV stand and I want to show you how wonderful is it. Let's do it. Okay guys, it's very easy to assemble it. My favorite part is its stand or mount. It can be used alone or on the stand, holding TVs up to 70 inches. It can swivel 40 degrees, right or left. That's wonderful. It comes with 2 socket power, 1 USB port, 1 Type-C port. It allows more space on the tabletop. It comes with 2 spacious cabinets to organize everyday items. And also it has 2 shelves to organize your favorite decoration. And the best thing is its lighting system. Makes it look modern, fun and elegant. Can be transformed to suit any occasion.